Hi, my name is Veganus and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat, what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. And today we're going to tidy up a little bit here, sign it off, we fiberglass it, put it out. It's quite good, solid. No need to be too crazy. It's just inside the thing. So we're going to use our mighty grinder, sander, whatever, and let's do it. I'm gonna run the time lapse, keep less boring. Very clean a little bit, just. Right, we got some paint. This primer, gonna prime this area. Shabang, shabang. There's not all I'm painter, so easy, easy. And I got this old stock from my shed. And, hopefully it's gonna do. Oh, this is a hatch inside. Never gonna see it. Don't wanna do it before closing up and doing again. Because it's otherwise through the hole when we don't see it how to do it. Right, after a couple coats, we're gonna epoxy the lids back on and screw them in, and that's it. And we can let's do it. So we got it a little bit thick in epoxy. So we got some thick in epoxy. And I sand on there and put on the top and send a screw. Use that. And this, it doesn't really matter just to hold in place because we're gonna still fiberglass over. Put on this edge because this will touch there. Here we go. Let's do it. Beautiful. On there. Right, we fixed that. Hopefully it dries out. What's next? We're gonna fill more before we fiberglassing the top, and once we fiberglass everything, we're gonna cut the hatches. I think I'm gonna put plastic ones as easier. And yeah, on this side, all done. Happy days. Thanks for watching. If you like, press like. If you wanted to give me advice, comment below. And don't forget, subscribe. See you next time.